Hi everyone, I'm Andy with NuPaths. Thanks for joining me today to learn about our Technical Support Specialist program. NuPaths helps you prepare for entry-level technology roles in well-paying and in-demand jobs. We are an approved pre-apprenticeship provider in Pennsylvania and an approved training provider for workforce development throughout the state. We've talked with lots of companies and conducted research to identify the entry-level technology job roles that are in demand and do not require a college degree. Based on our research into job demand for entry-level IT roles, we've created 2 pathways and programs for 7 different job roles. Today, we're going to focus on the Technical Support Specialist program, what you can expect as a student in the program, and the career services support you'll receive as a NuPaths student. We have created a focused educational path for you to get an entry-level job in technology. When you complete a program, you'll have marketable tech skills that will help you find a well-paying entry-level tech job. Each program takes 6 months to complete. You will take multiple courses to develop your skills with classroom and lab-based education, and you'll work on a project to further develop the skills you learn throughout the program. You will have the opportunity to earn multiple industry certifications and a certificate of completion from Harrisburg University, and be prepared for an internship, apprenticeship, or full-time job employment. You'll also earn college credits that can be used for continuing your education. You can earn up to 6 industry certifications, a certificate of completion from Harrisburg University, and up to 8 college credits. We provide help with resume preparation and connect students with employers for apprenticeships, internships, and full-time employment. A high school diploma or GED is required to start. All of our instructors are working in technology and have extensive experience working in the technologies they're teaching in the NuPaths courses. Courses are held in the evenings online or in the classroom in Philadelphia and Harrisburg. Now let's talk about the Technical Support Specialist program. Technical support specialists are at the forefront of computer and technology operations. They troubleshoot software, fix operating system issues, rebuild computers, and perform general maintenance on computer devices. Technical support specialists work in corporate offices or as an independent consultant and business owner, or in big electronics stores. With the field of computers and technology constantly changing and growing, there will always be a need for technical support specialists. Do you like helping people figure out how to use technology? Are you always answering tech questions from your friends and family? Then a job as a technical support specialist may be right for you. You can be the person who assists people at all levels of an organization to get their job done. The Tech Support Specialist program includes 4 courses, a project and business skills workshops. You can earn 6 industry certifications and 8 college credits in the program. You'll explore a broad range of technologies in the Foundations in Information Technology course. For those just getting started in information technology, the course is an overview of all the key technologies, including hardware, mobile, cloud, and networking. You'll use a PC simulator in the course as you explore computer hardware and basic technology troubleshooting techniques. For those with some prior IT experience, the Foundations in Information Technology course provides a refresher in some areas and introduces some emerging technology concepts that you may not have prior experience with. You'll take the CompTIA IT Fundamentals certification exam in the course and have the opportunity to earn 2 college credits. The CompTIA IT Fundamentals exam focuses on the essential IT skills and knowledge needed to perform tasks commonly performed by advanced end users and entry-level IT professionals. The next course develops the skills to format, design, and produce documents and presentations with Microsoft Word and PowerPoint so that you can provide training and support to other users in these platforms. You'll take 2 certification exams in the course. The Fundamentals of Productivity software course develops the skills to create workbooks and spreadsheets with Microsoft Excel for organizing and analyzing data. Microsoft Outlook is also explored as a communication and productivity tool. Skills with the productivity tools are developed for personal productivity and so that you can provide training and support to other users. You'll take 2 Microsoft Office certification exams in the course and can earn 3 college credits. You'll learn to confidently handle the most challenging technical support issues across a variety of computer and operating systems in the Technical Support for the Modern Enterprise course. The course covers the essential principles of installing, building, upgrading, and repairing, configuring, troubleshooting, optimize, and preventative maintenance on desktop and laptop computers. Elements of the customer service and communication skills necessary to work with clients while providing technical support are also explored. You will take the CompTIA 8+ certification exams in the course. The A+ certification demonstrates that you are a proven problem solver and that you can support today's core technologies from security to cloud to data management and more. The project course is the final course in the program. This is where you bring all the skills learned in the previous courses together and continue to practice real-world technology support tasks. After each course, you will participate in a week of business skills workshops. While technical skills prepare you for the technical tasks of a job role, there's more to a successful career than knowing the technology. Business skills, also known as soft skills, are the skills and competencies that enable you to work effectively. Skills like collaboration, communication, emotional intelligence, and time management. As the quote on the screen indicates, career success is often determined by your soft skills. You'll also focus on developing your resume, preparing for interviews, and developing a LinkedIn profile for your job search in the business skills workshops. NuPaths provides integrated career services support from beginning to end and beyond. We connect students with employers for internships, apprenticeships, and full-time job opportunities. Direct connections to employers are made through events and guest speakers. All of these activities help you build your professional network to find job opportunities. You can start your entry-level tech job after 6 months with NuPaths and earn between $15 and $25 an hour. If you perform well on the job, you'll also find that you can advance quickly to increase your earnings. With NuPaths, you can earn multiple industry certifications, develop technology skills for employment, earn college credits, receive job search assistance, develop business skills for long-term career success, and learn from faculty who are working in the industry, and start or advance your IT career in 6 months. Courses are held in the evenings online or in the classroom in Philadelphia and Harrisburg. Continuing your education is a big step, and we're here to make it as smooth as possible. To get started, contact us today. A student success coordinator will work with you to help you through the steps and answer your questions.